First of all, I've written a code over here. So, okay. So, firstly, I am connecting the fonts of from and guiding the fonts and looking at them. After that, I am for font face. I'm applying font family should be my custom font, which should be over here. And after that, source should be this one, and URL should be this one. And format should be WOV2 and WOV. After that, I have applying in all the HTML. The font size should be 16 pixels. On body, the font family should be Roboto or sans serif, and the line height should be 1.6. After that, the font family is my custom font or serif in each one, and height should be 2.5 RAM. After that, I am aligning the text into the center. Text transform should be uppercase, and after that, for P text, I am applying font size should be 1.2 RAM, and text align should be justified. After that, so for A text, the color should be this, and I am removing the until line because when you watch when there is any anchor tag, there is until line overlaid it. After that, for I am doing something over here. I will explain you it in the video. Okay, I can also explain you it now. Okay, so over here I am selecting at media and setting max width should be 768 pixel. And for HTML, and then inside it I'm like setting the HTML. For HTML, the font size should be 14 pixel, and after that font size should be 2 RAM, and for this so minimum width should be 1200 pixel, and for this font size should be 18 pixel, and after that font size for H1 tags the font size should be 3 RAM. After that, I've created an H1 tag, a P tag in which there's an anchor tag. Okay, so now if I run it, okay, so it's printing welcome to my website. After that, this is an example of responsive typography using CSS, and you're watching there's learn more, but there's no underline. And if I press it, it opens this code, learn coding by P, and it's become coder and some other things. Coding is fun. You're watching, and I can also go back to page by pressing it, and if I press learn more, and you're watching, it's like walking like I have started a while loop. Okay, so you're watching how it's working. After that, if I show you this code, so inside that code I'm using JavaScript, and you're watching I have not moved the decoration, so there's an underline over here. So let me open the VS Code, and now over here the link is of index.html. I've written double X so that it doesn't get confused for the same files. And then here's the code of it. I've just applied some styling over here, and for H1 should be this. After that, I have now first of all I've copied empty, and over here I'm selecting it and then creating an array and storing all the and like starting the animation. You're watching. So if I and so one or the day should be 12,000 milliseconds. Oh, 10 milliseconds. And after that, 2 seconds instead of 2 seconds. Waited for just 200 milliseconds. Okay, so now if I open the code, coding is fun, keep practicing, never stop learning, do a big code, because here's something amazing, debug like pro, think like pro, myself like code, ready for future to code every day, repeat, mission shots here, I'm like a potential, and you're watching how it's now getting fast. And it would repeat until I've opened this page. Okay, now it's hard for me even to click it. Yep, so now that's how it would work. So keep learning and keep practicing. Bye!